Have you ever looked at your backyard and wondered why it feels messy, empty, or too hard to maintain? What if a simple layer of gravel could completely transform that space into something stylish and relaxing? Can a low-maintenance backyard still look luxurious, modern, and expensive without costing a fortune? What are the smartest gravel patio ideas that save time, reduce weeds, and still impress your guests? Could a gravel pathway actually make your garden feel bigger, cleaner, and more organized? What if the secret to a beautiful outdoor space isn't grass, but gravel? And which gravel backyard designs are becoming the biggest trend for modern outdoor living today? Welcome you to Architecture Inspiration X, where we share the best ideas and tips for your outdoor and indoor living space. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos which we have planned after this video. Why are gravel backyards becoming so popular? Gravel backyards are becoming one of the most loved outdoor design trends because they are affordable, easy to maintain, and visually stunning. Unlike traditional lawns, gravel doesn't require constant watering, mowing, or expensive upkeep. Homeowners are now choosing gravel because it creates a clean and modern look while reducing maintenance stress. Whether you have a small backyard or a large outdoor area, gravel can instantly upgrade the space. It also works beautifully with patios, pathways, gardens, and fire pit zones. Another reason people love gravel is its versatility because it matches almost every design style. From rustic to luxury outdoor spaces, gravel blends perfectly into every environment. If you enjoy discovering simple ideas that completely transform outdoor spaces, share this inspiration with someone who loves home upgrades and outdoor creativity. Tell us which backyard style you prefer most. Modern, rustic, cozy, or luxury outdoor designs. Your ideas might inspire someone else too. Stay connected for more creative outdoor inspiration, smart home design ideas, and easy backyard transformations that make any space feel amazing. What are the best gravel patio ideas for a stylish backyard? A gravel patio is one of the easiest ways to create a cozy outdoor seating area without spending a huge amount of money. You can combine gravel with wooden furniture, string lights, and simple decor pieces to create a relaxing atmosphere. Many homeowners use pea gravel because it feels soft underfoot and gives a smooth, elegant appearance. Some prefer crushed stone for a more modern and structured design. Adding a fire pit in the center can instantly make the patio feel warm and inviting. Bordering the patio with large stones or pavers also creates a polished look. Even a small gravel patio can become the perfect spot for morning coffee, family gatherings, or peaceful evenings outdoors. Share these backyard ideas with friends or family members who dream about creating a beautiful outdoor sitting area without overspending. Which outdoor feature would you add first to your dream gravel patio? A fire pit, lights, plants, or comfortable seating? Subscribe for more outdoor makeover inspiration and practical design ideas that help turn ordinary spaces into stunning retreats. How can gravel pathways improve your garden design? Gravel pathways add structure, beauty, and functionality to any garden space. A well-designed path guides movement through the backyard while making the entire area look organized and intentional. Curved pathways create a soft and natural appearance, while straight paths feel modern and clean. Gravel paths are also much easier to maintain compared to concrete walkways. You can combine gravel with stepping stones, wooden edges, or garden plants for extra visual appeal. Many people also love gravel pathways because they improve drainage and reduce muddy areas after rain. Even a simple pathway can completely change the atmosphere of your backyard and make the garden feel more elegant and welcoming. If these garden pathway ideas inspired you, pass this inspiration along to someone planning a backyard makeover or garden redesign. Would you choose a curved garden pathway or a straight modern path for your backyard? Share your favorite style below. Join for more creative landscaping inspiration, simple backyard solutions, and outdoor ideas designed to make every space feel beautiful. What types of gravel work best for backyard landscaping? Choosing the right type of gravel can make a huge difference in both appearance and comfort. Pea gravel is popular for patios and seating areas because it feels soft and smooth. Crushed stone is excellent for modern pathways and driveways because it stays compact and stable. River rock creates a natural and decorative appearance that works beautifully in garden spaces. Decomposed granite gives a sophisticated and earthy look while remaining easy to maintain. The color of the gravel also affects the overall mood of the backyard. Light-colored gravel creates a bright and open atmosphere, while darker gravel feels modern and dramatic. Selecting the right gravel helps balance style, comfort, and functionality perfectly. Share these landscaping ideas with anyone searching for easy outdoor upgrades that combine beauty with practicality. Can a gravel backyard look luxurious on a budget? One of the biggest misconceptions about luxury landscaping is that it always requires a huge budget. Gravel proves that beautiful outdoor design can actually be affordable. By combining gravel with modern furniture, warm lighting, and simple greenery, you can create a space that feels high-end without spending too much. Minimalist gravel designs often look more elegant than overcrowded landscapes. Many luxury resorts and modern homes now use gravel because it creates a calm and sophisticated atmosphere. Adding features like raised planters, wooden decks, or black metal accents can instantly elevate the look. Even small details can make a gravel backyard feel expensive and professionally designed. What makes a backyard feel luxurious to you? Lighting, furniture, plants, or modern landscaping details? What are the best plants to pair with gravel landscaping? Plants and gravel work together beautifully when balanced correctly. Drought-tolerant plants are especially popular because they require less water and blend naturally into gravel landscapes. Lavender, ornamental grasses, succulents, and small shrubs create a soft contrast against stone textures. Green plants add life and freshness, while the gravel provides structure and simplicity. Some homeowners also use raised beds surrounded by gravel to create a clean and organized appearance. Choosing plants with different heights and textures can make the backyard feel more dynamic and visually interesting. With the right combination, gravel landscaping can look vibrant, peaceful, and incredibly stylish all year round. Which plants would you love to see in your dream backyard garden setup? How can small backyards benefit from gravel designs? Small backyards often feel crowded or limited, but gravel can actually make them appear larger and more open. Because gravel creates visual flow and clean lines, it helps reduce clutter and improves the sense of space. Light-colored gravel especially reflects sunlight and brightens compact outdoor areas. Using gravel instead of bulky grass sections can also free up room for seating, plants, or decorative features. A small gravel courtyard with minimalist furniture can feel modern and relaxing without overwhelming the area. Even tiny spaces can become beautiful outdoor retreats when designed thoughtfully. Gravel makes it easier to maximize every inch of the backyard efficiently. Share these smart, small space ideas with anyone trying to make their backyard feel bigger, cleaner, and more inviting. What are the biggest gravel backyard design mistakes to avoid? While gravel landscaping is simple, a few mistakes can reduce both beauty and functionality. One common mistake is choosing the wrong gravel size for the intended purpose. Another is forgetting proper edging, which allows gravel to spread into unwanted areas. Some homeowners also skip landscaping fabric, leading to more weeds over time. Using too many design elements can make the backyard feel cluttered instead of clean and relaxing. Poor drainage planning can also create uneven surfaces and water issues. The best gravel landscapes focus on balance, simplicity, and thoughtful placement. Avoiding these mistakes helps create a backyard that looks polished and stays low maintenance for years. Subscribe for more practical backyard tips landscaping inspiration, and creative outdoor ideas that help avoid costly mistakes. How can you create the perfect gravel backyard retreat? Creating the perfect gravel backyard is all about combining comfort, simplicity, and personality. Start by deciding how you want the space to feel: relaxing, modern, cozy, or luxurious. Choose gravel that complements your home's style, and pair it with furniture that encourages comfort and connection. Add soft lighting for evening ambiance and plants for freshness and color. Features like pergolas, fire pits, or water elements can make the space even more inviting. The beauty of gravel landscaping is that it allows endless creativity without overwhelming maintenance. With the right layout and details, even an ordinary backyard can become a peaceful personal retreat. Share this inspiration with anyone dreaming about creating a peaceful and beautiful outdoor retreat at home. So, can a gravel backyard really transform an ordinary outdoor space into something stylish, low maintenance, and modern? Absolutely. From elegant patios and beautiful garden paths to cozy seating areas and luxurious landscaping ideas, gravel offers endless possibilities without the stress of constant upkeep. It proves that you don't need a massive budget or a huge backyard to create an outdoor space that feels inviting and impressive. With the right combination of gravel, plants, lighting, and thoughtful design, any backyard can become a peaceful retreat that looks beautiful all year round. Now the only question left is, which gravel backyard idea will inspire your transformation first?